Hey folks, I'm sorry I haven't done more videos for you lately. I had great plans, really getting a whole bunch of projects done. But life, like usual, had a hiccup. And during that big storm last Monday, we ended up with water coming at me at all directions and above and below here in the shop. So yeah, I'm going to be moving soon, losing the shop. It's just been a little too wet in here for me. If you're in the Calgary area, I will be at the Hidden Art Show at Windward's Clyde at the Delta Hotel South. The art room is open to the public. You don't need to have a membership to the Writers' Convention to come and have a look. I'm going to be showcasing some brand new artists this year, so come and check it out.